Hi everyone, welcome back to Fluent Worlds. My name is Aleja and I'm going to be your English teacher. Today is going to be a super fun and different lesson because we're going to be focusing on one word. This word is used pretty often in English conversation and can be used in multiple different ways. The word that we're going to be focusing on today is the word thought. In English, the word thought can mean two things. Number one, it can mean an idea, as in, I had a good thought about how we could solve this problem. Or it could mean something that you were thinking about in the past or that you believed in the past. For example, oh, I thought your name was Ashley, not Amanda. Today, we're going to learn how to use the word thought in 10 different phrases. Let's get started. Thought as in believed. I thought you were from New York. I thought you were from New York. I thought we were going to the beach today. I thought we were going to the beach today. They thought I was from India, but I'm from Pakistan. They thought I was from India, but I'm from Pakistan. We thought your friend was very nice. We thought your friend was very nice. Your sister thought I was already gone. Your sister thought I was already gone. Great job. So, these phrases are all thought, as in something that you believed in the past. I thought you were from New York. They thought I was from India. The word thought is really important in the context of these sentences. Make sure that you can go back to those phrases we just covered and see what the word thought means in each one of them. So let's move on to thought as in the idea or to think. Do you have any thoughts on the matter? Do you have any thoughts on the matter? Does anyone have any thoughts on today's lesson? Does anyone have any thoughts on today's lesson? I thought we could all go to the park. I thought we could all go to the park. I never thought about a career in medicine. I never thought about a career in medicine. She thought of her nephew when she saw this toy. She thought of her nephew when she saw this toy. There are many ways you can use the word thought. Can you think of any yourself? Comment them down below. Make sure that this week, when you're practicing the word thought, you're able to use it in the two contexts we talked about before. Number one, something that you were thinking of in the past, like, I thought about you. Number two, an idea that you think is good or something that you want to do. I thought we could try this new restaurant. So, an idea or a belief. Great luck practicing this week. Let us know how you did in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you never miss an opportunity to practice and perfect your English. See you next time.